part of what I'm really interested in now is really taking an approach that really values local communities. So thinking about what are their uses of these ecosystems, what are their needs, and how can that really be made compatible with conservation. My name is Dr. Alex Moore, and I am an assistant professor here at the University of British Columbia, and I'm jointly appointed in two departments, Forest and Conservation Sciences, and then also the Botany department here. I am currently putting together work related to mangrove conservation and ecology within American Samoa. Most of the mangroves in American Samoa are degraded and are damaged largely due to just like pollution and trash. And so that's a really big problem across the island. I work a lot with the community in American Samoa to think about how do they use their ecosystems and what are the ways that their practices and traditional knowledge might help be useful in the way that land management practices are done. It's really important to take the time to like develop trust, to knowledge share, and to make sure that whatever work you're doing serving the community. And I think that does a service to both the conservation efforts, right? Because then you have people who are vested in the protection and the sustainability of these ecosystems, but it also is to the service of the people, right? So they are able to benefit economically, they're able to benefit culturally, they have social systems that tend to be really connected to like land and place. It tends to be a win-win, and I think that that's something we should be doing more of as opposed to the sort of old-fashioned approach to just like taking a space and making it a reserve and telling no one they can use it. In my teaching, I like to take some time to really talk about science in the context of these really big social, cultural, political themes because they're not separate, and I think it really helps students to really see the bigger picture of the ways that science is impacting different communities and how it plays out in the real world. Science still has a long way to go before it is actually an endeavor that is as impactful as it can be for all people globally.